when we are training people like this, it is not enough if they get the practical or experiential knowledge, but they also should have good professional values. So what do we mean by professional values? వృత్తి విలువలు అంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా depending on the type of profession that they have taken, they have to follow certain basic principles or basic ethics of that particular profession. Say according to IEEE, professional values broadly include two things. One, technical competency, సాంకేతిక సామర్థ్యము, ethical uprightness, నైతిక నిజాయితీ. Third is social responsibility. When they get into the job, they should also feel that they are socially responsible. So how to acquire these three? That should be the goal of every student when he is in the college. At least the first two things are very, very important for him. The third one probably they can understand and do something keeping in mind the society. When they are in the college, most of the time they are receiving something. When they are receiving the knowledge, this they should keep in mind. How to acquire technical competency and how to become ethically upright.